What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Motorola Moto G6, guys. I can't wait to check it out. Let's check out the box first and then we'll dig into the phone. So a really nice green box here, and this is kind of my second favorite box so far for Motorola. I actually did an unboxing of the Moto X4, which had a really nice blue box. Link in the description below in case you guys want to check out the Motorola X4. That was a really nice box. This box is just as cool, guys. So you have this nice looking green here with the Motorola logo, well, the Motorola word and the logo all in this nice silver right here. And in the bottom here we have the model of the Moto G6. This is made by Lenovo for Motorola, so that's not bad. Lenovo do make some pretty good products. Not a lot of stuff going on the box. I was kind of hoping they kind of had some kind of feature or a little like a little guide just to show you some of the features that the phone have. But not to worry, guys. I'll post the full feature list in the description below in case you guys want to check it out yourselves. But let's jump into the box. Grab my little Swiss Army pocket knife right here. Let me just get this all cut. There we go. Pop this open. Ooh, this is nice, guys. I already like the phone. All right, but let's. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the Motorola turbocharger. Now this is supposed to be really quick, and it is USB Type-C, which is great. Really good turbocharge. I actually have the turbocharger from the Moto Z Force 2, and I must say it is a really fast charger. We have our nice SIM ejection tool right here, which is gonna come in handy if you guys want to add more memory to your phone, or switch carriers. You can also do that with this phone, as it's unlocked to work with any carrier, at least in the US, and I'm pretty sure worldwide. Alright, so let's take a look at the phone itself. Before we power it on, let's go over a little bit of hardware right here. So it's all black. Nice black phone, guys. Nice deep black. This feels like it's all glass at the back here. It's really nice. You do get the double lens camera right here and a beautiful big screen which measures in at a 5.7 inches, guys. So a really nice screen right here. You have your front camera, your front flash. We do have a fingerprint. It's kind of long. The last Motorola I featured, the X4, the fingerprint was a little bit more circular. This one is a little bit more long. You have a little mic right here. To the bottom here we have the Type-C, and of course that famous headphone jack which we all love. Nice Motorola logo right there, and power button, volume up and down. Let's turn on this bad boy as I go over some quick features with of the phone. So it's coming with a fingerprint sensor. It's coming out the box, Android 8.0, 64 gigs of internal storage with 4 gigs of RAM, rocking a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, and one of the best parts of the phone, it has a 3000 milliamp battery, which promised to last you the entire day, and the dual rear cameras that we took a quick look at just now coming in at 12 megapixel as well as a 5 megapixel. So that's some of the normal specs of the phone, but like I said earlier, full feature list will be in the description below. Let me go ahead, punch in my information, set this phone up, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Alrighty, guys, so I went ahead and punched in all my info on the phone so we can get it all up and going. And yeah, so far it's a pretty cool phone, guys. So first off, let me show you guys how fast this fingerprint is. It's actually surprisingly fast, guys. Check it out. That is pretty responsive. And I guess the good part about this fingerprint, and this is the first time the second time actually, the first time seeing it on the Moto X4, not only will this button unlock the phone, but you can just tap it again to relock it. So unlock, and then if you hit it again, it locks the phone again, guys. So a second purpose for the fingerprint. That's kind of cool. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, guys, so let's check out some quick functions of the phone. So these are all the pre-installed apps you get in it. Now this is the Amazon Prime edition of the phone. They do have the regular Motorola version of the phone as well as an Android One version. But if you go ahead and get the Prime version of this, if you have Amazon Prime, you actually save about, I think, between like anywhere between $20 to like $40 you save if you get the Amazon Prime version. So if you want to save that extra money but still get a great phone, I recommend the Prime version. Alright, so being it's a Prime version and all, you do get some pre-installed Amazon apps, the Alexa app, Amazon Drive, basically all the Amazon apps pre-installed. I went ahead and downloaded Darkness Rise, so you know we can see how the gaming experience is on the phone later in the video. And other than that, it's basic Android stuff and a little bit of Motorola stuff. So this phone is almost pure Android. Updates on this should come relatively quickly. So you have your home button, your multi-function button, and your back button all at the bottom right there. And let's swipe down to see our shortcuts. So we have Wi-Fi at the top there. We have Bluetooth. We have the Don't Disturb, flashlight. What's that right there? Dolby Audio. We got the portrait mode, battery saver. I don't have my SIM card inside right now, and you have cast. So if you have a smart TV or you have a Chromecast, you are able to cast directly from there, boom, onto your television. Looks like I have an update already available. And let's just go a little bit more into the settings and see what we got. So sound and volume. I'm just gonna, well, we're not gonna max it out yet. We're gonna leave that for the volume testing. Storage, and this is important. Now, there is a 32 gig version of this phone available, but I went ahead for the 64 gig for obvious reason. The price difference was not that much. I believe it was about $60 to $50 difference just to get an extra 32 gigs of space, so I thought that was worth the investment. And it looks like out of the box, the system uses about 8.2. So that leaves you with a little, like around 55 gigs or so that you have to spare. And the phone could also take up to 128 gigabyte SD card. So if the 64 is not enough for you, you know, you can always add in some memory cards. Security right here, of course, you have your screen lock, you have the fingerprint, which we just tested out just now, and I believe you can kind of add. You can actually add a fair amount of fingerprints to this phone. I believe it's about 5. But for now, we're just going to use the one fingerprint. What else we got going here on this phone? Yeah, that's kind of the main stuff of the phone. Actually, let's check what Android it's running. The description on the web says it's 8.0, and it is running 8.0, and there is a new update, which I will do later. And yeah, guys, now it does actually have 4 gigs of RAM, and the resolution on this phone it's really good. It's a 1080p resolution coming in at 1080 by, I believe it's 1080 by 2160, guys. So that's not too bad. Really good resolution. All right, so let's try out some. Let's actually go straight over to YouTube. I actually had it open, and we're gonna try out some sound because it is pushing the speakers actually at the front of the phone, which is a really nice touch. Now it's only one speaker, but it's actually pretty loud. And I'm gonna let you guys hear it. So that's all the way up. So all the sound is pushing from right here. There's no speaker at the bottom nor at the back. This is kind of like the only speaker on the phone. It actually doesn't sound that bad. Let's speed up the video a little bit. Now, it's not the loudest speaker of any smartphone, but for what you're getting, I think it's definitely enough. It's definitely loud enough, and it's in front of the phone, so sound is coming towards you while you're using the phone, while you're watching a movie, playing a game, whatever you're doing on the phone, sound is coming towards you. So that's definitely a plus. So let's take a look at some video. We're just gonna see what's happening on YouTube. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take a look at kind of one of my own videos actually. Let's take a look at the Moto X4 I was actually featuring.
Your money can buy today, and I can't wait to check
actually,
it out.
no.
But let's take a look at the box.
It's kind of a bad idea.
Take a look at the actual device, guys. I can't wait to check it out. Anyways, let's take a look at this beautiful box now. It's a really nice blue. The camera does What's going on, guys? Welcome back to
Not a bad idea, guys.
Today we're going to be
I'm just gonna go straight up on YouTube.
We're going to be putting the props on. We're going to run the app, set up the app.
Hopefully this random video does not kill me and I don't get copyright. But reversal are really good. Actually, we're just gonna look at the ad really quick. Look at that, guys. Viewing quality is actually not that bad. It's actually pretty clear. Shout out to Reversal. You make some pretty good Pokemon Go videos. I actually watch your videos. Shout out to you. Yeah, guys, but it's actually pretty good. Really, really nice. Yeah, I like it. It's not bad. That 1080p is coming in pretty good right there. And last but not least, gaming. Now, I'm a big fan of Darkness Rise. Hit the like button if you guys are also a fan of Darkness Rise. This is my character right here. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna run through a stage really quick. Nothing too difficult. We're just gonna do something easy. Oh, let me not do that. Let's go into story mode. Oh, not that story mode. We want to go into adventure mode. I'm actually stuck at a level right now. We're gonna do, let me go all the way back. I don't want anything too difficult. I just want to be able to go through just to show you guys how the gaming is. Now, this is a pretty heavy game. And so far, this phone has been able to handle it pretty good. Alright, here we go. It's loading up. So actually loading almost as fast as it is on my Galaxy S9 Plus, guys. Alright, so here we are, guys. Here we are. Alright, guys, so far so good. The game seems to be working really nice on the phone. Even looking through the camera that I am right now playing this game, it's actually running pretty good. Yeah, guys, gaming is definitely going to work on this phone. I'm just gonna hit her with our special really quick. Alright, guys, and there you have it. Just a quick look at the gaming of Darkness Rises on the Moto G6. It's a pretty high graphic intensity game, and I kind of left everything on. This is just like straight download, logged into my account right away, didn't change any settings or anything, and it seems to be working really good, guys. So gaming is definitely going to run well on this phone. You don't have much to worry about. And yeah, it's not a bad budget phone, guys. I believe I actually paid about $250 for this phone, so it's under 300 bucks. Actually, it's under 250, but it is like 240 something. Or actually, no, it was 229 or 239, I believe, and then taxes brought over close to 250. So I think it's definitely worth it, guys. Definitely worth it. Let's take a quick picture. So we're gonna try out the camera right now. I'm just gonna take a picture of the Moto box. Here we go. Testing out the picture. Alright, guys, check it out, guys. So just took this picture right off the bat. Let me just turn on the rotation. There we go, guys. Now that picture is pretty crispy, guys. That's the Moto box right there. The detail on it is not too bad. Picture quality is not bad. Picture quality is not bad at all, guys. Now remember, this is coming in at under 250, guys, so you really can't go wrong with a phone like this with all the bells and whistles you get with it. Once again, I know I said it earlier, but full description, full spec list in the description below, along with the purchase link if you guys want to check out this phone. So, and that's where we're going to end the video, guys. If you like this quick unboxing, quick kind of review of this phone, hit the like button. You know, hit up the comments below if you guys have anything to say about the phone. Maybe you have it. If you tried it, let us know in the comments below so everyone else could also know your experience on the phone, guys. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.